Are you still struggling to draw 3D buildings like this? Trying so hard to guess the right angles, but your walls always look a bit wonky and your roof just doesn't sit right. It's slow, it's frustrating, and it's keeping you from drawing the cool houses and rooms you imagine. This is the Perspective Guide, and it's about to change your life. In this video, I'll show you why this is like having a professional architect right inside your iPad. So here's how it works. Step 1, go to Actions, Canvas, and turn on the drawing guide. Then tap Edit, select Perspective, and just tap once to place your vanishing point, or tap twice for 2 vanishing points. You can even move them around after you have placed them. Step 2, go to your layer and make sure Drawing Assist is turned on. Now every line I draw automatically snaps to the perfect angle. I can draw a vertical wall or a receding roof line, and it's perfectly in perspective every single time. You literally can't draw a wrong line. Because the lines snap to the guide, you can focus on being creative instead of doing math. Look at this cozy little building. Without the perspective guide, getting these windows to line up would be a nightmare. And if you want to break free from the grid, either turn off Drawing Assist on your layer or hold your pen in place after drawing a line to be able to change the angle. Drawing Assist is the ultimate tool for buildings, cities, or even simple furniture. Perspective guides are a total game changer for adding depth to your art. They save you time and let you draw complex scenes without fear. If you found this quick tip helpful, let me know in the comments, or come and have even more Procreate fun at my Patreon. You can follow more than 250 drawing and painting tutorials and master all the tools in the app. I'll see you there.